Hi. So today I will show you a YouTube view bot. So this bot is designed for Windows, but you can run it on Mac and Linux also. And you can buy it in two variant. The first variant is the exe file. If you buy the exe file, it will cost you $30. But if you want to buy it with the source code, then it will cost you more. It will cost you $50. Okay, so keep that in mind. And you need to if you are interested, you need to contact me on Telegram. You can see the details in my video description. And for this bot, at first if you just buy the exe version, then you can just run it, and you just need to update the proxies and update the video links here, and then just run the bot. But if you are buying it with the source code, then you need to install Python on your PC. Also you need to install the requirements that are needed for this bot, and you will get all those steps by step in this video links, and you can just follow this readme file to install those correctly. And this readme file is also designed for Windows. So if you are using Mac or Linux, then you need to figure it out that how to install Python, and how to install the requirements properly. And when those are done, then you need to update the proxies sheet, the proxies here. But you can run this bot without proxies also. But to get a better result, you should use proxies, and you can buy proxies for this bot from webshare.io. You can use other proxies also, but I am not sure that those will work or not, and how good that will work. But from the webshare.io, if you even buy the lowest possible package, it will work perfectly. And when those are updated, then you can just run the bot by opening the run.batch file if you are on Windows. But if you are on other platform, then I need to figure it out. So for now I am just using it without proxies, because if I use it with proxies, then my proxies details will be shown here, and I don't want it to be public. So I'm just setting here too. And keep one thing in mind, that when you run the bot, you can't use your PC. So after running the bot, you just need to leave your PC. Okay, so when it is running, let me tell you something, that this bot will always set your videos to 144p, because that will reduce your workforce on your PC. The load will be reduced, and also your bandwidth will be less consumed, and that will be better for your proxies. And the other things, like this bot is paid, so please don't ask me it for it free. And my contact details are given in the video description, so you can just find my Telegram from there, and you can just contact me. And if you have any question, you can ask me through comment, or you can just message me on Telegram. So this is how the bot will work. It will keep working until you turn it off. And if you have any question, you can just let me know. I will try my best to uh, talk to you as fast as possible. Okay, so this is it. And if you are interested, you can just contact me and buy it. Thanks.